All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 9160, State of Texas versus Rosa Tovar. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Ryan Groomer for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
Michael J. Sawyer.
And are you Ms. Tovar?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're here for sentencing. The state, according to the plea bargaining agreement, is proceeding on count one, which is possession with intent to deliver 4,200 grams. Punishment is assessed at a cap of 7 years. There's a $500 fine. The state is opposing your application, and they're taking in consideration NIMAG number 650864. Have parties had a chance to review the PSI report? State?
Yes, Judge.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections to the PSI report and the TAP evaluation? State?
Yes, Judge, we've read both.
All right, any objections?
No objection, sorry.
All right, that's a problem.
We
Defense?
review this factually correct, Your Honor. We have no objection.
All right, state, do you have any witnesses?
We do not, Judge.
Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Only Rosa Tovar would like to address the court on her own behalf.
All right, Ms. Tovar, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you speak up. What is your...
Your one chance to address the judge, and her not okay. This is your one time to tell the judge, what is it? What is your change in plans in your life that perhaps you benefit from probation? Most importantly, when were you released from prison? What year?
2016,
And what was that for?
burglary.
At the time you went to prison, you had many prior arrests for thefts and various assorted charges. You tell the judge how long were you a drug addict? And eventually got you in prison. You were released about 2016, right?
Yes.
You tell the judge, have you used any drugs since 2016?
No, I've been clean 7 years as of last month.
You know the charge you're facing today. You tell Judge Boyd, do you have any children? And if so, how old are they?
I have a 2-year-old one and a 1-year-old girl.
And currently, do you live with your mother?
Yes.
And in the event you were sent to the penitentiary, who would be left to care for your 2 children?
My mom.
And how old is she?
57.
Does she work, or is she on disability or something?
She doesn't work.
Could you express to Judge Boyd why now in your life do you want to make changes? Why do you think this time you'd benefit from probation instead of going to the penitentiary?
Well, I have my kids now, and I think probation will help me work.
I have a question. So I read, of course, the stipulations in the PSI report. Which child was it in the vehicle with you where these drugs were found?
My daughter,
And how old was she at the time?